ever wondered if your plants are gossiping about you? Well, this might seem like a strange question, but it's actually not far from the truth. While they might not be whispering about your latest fashion faux pas or that sandwich you ate for lunch, they indeed have a complex system of communication, a language, if you will, in their own quirky and quite fascinating way. Hit that subscribe button now to stay updated on all things plant-related. You see, plants are far more sophisticated than we usually give them credit for. They might look static and silent, giving no indication of any sentience or cognizance, but that's far from the truth. They can't talk in the way you and I do, they can't move around like us, but that doesn't mean they're silent or still. They are a bustling hub of activity, communicating with each other in ways that might astonish you. Plants have the amazing ability to send out chemical signals when they're under threat or attack. Picture this: a plant is being invaded by a harmful insect or experiencing a disease. It emits a distress signal, a botanical SOS, that alerts its neighboring plants. This warning enables its plant neighbors to make themselves a less tempting target. You could say they have an intricate neighborhood watch system right there in your own backyard. Isn't that quite cool to think about? But that's not all. Their communication isn't just limited to sharing alerts about imminent danger. Their interaction goes way beyond that. For them, communication plays a vital role in their growth and well-being too. They share resources, exchange vital information about their environment, and work collectively to enhance each other's survival chances. Yes, you heard that right. Your fern isn't just idly sitting in the corner of your room, it's busy exchanging secret messages with your ficus. They are probably besties, sharing a rapport that we humans might find hard to understand. It's almost like they have a secret club, a botanical society of their own that we are just starting to understand. So next time you are watering your plants or just contemplating their silent beauty, remember, they're so much more than just decor. They're living, sentient, communicating organisms. They have a complex life of their own, thriving in their silent yet vibrant world. And they undoubtedly know more about their surroundings, their existence, and their comrades than you might think. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's grow together.